What makes these 10 days so special? What makes good deeds in these 10 days so special? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala completed the religion in these 10 days. Where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, "Al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum," that today I have completed your religion for you, perfected your religion for you. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala perfected the religion within these 10 days, that in and of itself signifies its virtue. Ibn Hajar, may Allah be pleased with him, he also said that all of the good deeds are combined in these 10 days in a way that they are not in any other time. And so there are, in all of the 5 pillars of Islam, you have an element within these 10 days. You have Hajj, you have the prayer, obviously, you have fasting, you have sadaqah. So you get the shahada, obviously, which is the testimony of the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and following the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then you've got the Hajj, which can't be done any other time. You've got the charity, which is constantly done in these 10 days. You've got the fasting, which is constantly done in these 10 days as well. And so all of the good deeds, all of the pillars of Islam have a manifestation within these 10 days, and you can't find that in any other 10 days of the year.